OnePlus 8 is coming. Hello and welcome guys. As you know, OnePlus 7T has just launched a week ago, and now the OnePlus 8 has been leaked in detailed 3D render, which indicates that not only is the 7T large circular camera protrusion a bite of one-off, but that we are also going to see a notch disappear. In the render, we see a large curved screen with minimal bezel and punch hole camera in the top left corner. We also see a triple camera system housed inside the classic vertical pill-shaped protrusion. This would mean OnePlus is taking a different tact with the OnePlus 8 series. If it is indeed a series with the OnePlus 7 series, the key differentiator between the 7 and 7 Pro was the larger screen with curved edge. The OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7T both have completely flat screen. The OnePlus 7T Pro is widely expected to use the same curved display from the 7 Pro when it's launched later this month. The render come courtesy of the usual source Twitter leaker OneLeaks in collaboration with the Cash Karo, who confirmed that despite its appearance, this is OnePlus 8, not the OnePlus 8 Pro. The new OnePlus 8 will be the first phone from OnePlus non-Pro model to feature a curved screen display. Talking about the camera and design, as it can be seen in the exclusive leaked image, and OnePlus 8 will feature an all-new punch hole display unlikely any other previous generation device from its suitable that either has been medium size or water drop notch. OnePlus 8 will also feature a triple rear camera setup. That is one of the feature which is akin to its previous generation device. OnePlus is finally rolling out the much anticipated wireless charging feature in the OnePlus 8. Other than this, OnePlus has also modified the design of the device speaker at the bottom. Unlike its other recently released model like OnePlus 7T, OnePlus has given a smoother edge to the bottom speaker in the model. Having only launched the OnePlus 7 in May 2019, the disreputable smartphone maker unveiled the OnePlus 7T less than 5 months later, and if one leak source are correct, we could see the OnePlus 8 as early as February and March in 2020. If it turned out to be accurate, it will be see OnePlus shifted to launch cycle to be more in time with the typical March-September launches we see from a handful of other tech companies, perhaps an indication that OnePlus feel it can compete with the big names now and does not need to avoid them. So this is the update and some leaky images. Let me know in the comment section what you thought about this smartphone. Hit the like button and subscribe for more tech related video. See you in the next video. Peace out.